In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in text in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional hover effect that makes your text smoothly appear when someone moves their cursor over it. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and heading to the canvas where your page content lives. Make sure you're in the right site and page where the text you want to animate is located. It helps to have the element you plan to animate already on the page and styled the way you want. Click the specific text element you want to animate. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any text block. Selecting the exact element is important because the interaction you set up will be attached to this item. Next, open the Interactions panel. You'll find it on the right side of the designer, represented by the lightning bolt icon. With your text still selected, look for the Element Trigger section and click the plus button to add a new trigger. This tells Webflow what should cause the animation to play. Choose Mouse Hover as the trigger. A hover trigger means your animation will respond when the mouse enters or leaves the element. This is perfect for subtle reveal effects on links, headings, or callouts. Under the On Hover area, click the drop-down that says Select an Action. From the available options, choose Fade. This sets the type of animation you're going to apply without you needing to build it from scratch. Now select Fade In. This ensures the text becomes visible as the user hovers over it. Be sure you're picking Fade In, not Fade Out. Fade In increases the opacity from transparent to visible on hover, while Fade Out would do the opposite. Choosing the correct direction is what creates that smooth reveal you're aiming for. With that set, it's time to see it in action. Click Preview at the top to enter preview mode. Hover over your text on the canvas and watch it fade in. If you don't see the effect, double-check that the correct element is selected and that you applied the trigger to the element itself. That's it for the setup. This simple fade in on hover adds a polished, interactive feel to your site without overwhelming your design. Once you're happy with the result, you can keep building and later publish as usual. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your Webflow interactions with this quick fade in technique.